Good evening. Mayor Wagnin here with FDAHunter.com, where winning is consistent. What a day, what a day. Going to go over a few quick plays today, including CARV. CARV, I mean, what a day today. Over 200% alerted at $18. Amazing play today, including a few other plays. Today, as we all know, was a red day. And the beautiful thing about this is that we are winning consistently. And we're going to show you guys how it's being done. And this is happening every day. If you look at our videos, you'll see how this is done. I took a few highlights for today, and we'll go over a few plays. We will be making a video right after this for IBIO, which is also in the biosciences, in pharmaceuticals and things like that, of that nature. So we'll go into that, and we'll go over also TBLT. But just to show you guys quickly how we started the day and how are we winning consistently, how are we helping people win consistently? Well, basically, the way full-time day traders do this, and many of them don't talk about it because they're too busy making money instead of being on YouTube. But the way it's done is they'll take a shot, and if it doesn't work, they have a risk level where they protect themselves. And those risk levels are so little that when they win, they're winning much bigger. When we're winning, we are going for big plays, but at the same time, we're just taking a portion that is predictable. 5, 10, 15, 20% sometimes. And sometimes you're just stuck in a stock and it just keeps flying beyond you. And it goes crazy and you can win up to 50% or more. So, you're going to get those sometimes, but this is not going to happen like every day. But this is the beauty about penny stocks and, stocks in general. This is the beautiful thing about it, is that you can make an amazing percentage instead of going out there and selling whatever it is that people sell and working so hard for a couple percentage. Here it's being done within a couple of hours. So, I want to congratulate a few people today that did very well. A few new subscribers, including Cigar, that did very well. I'm going to go ahead and show his win on the next video. But again, I'm going to go into this very quickly because I am very tired, and I just want to make this video for everybody, okay? So here's how we started the day quickly. ARPO, good shot at 2.5s. Now risk is 249. So this was around the 251, 252 level at the time at 7 a.m. Okay, right here. Right here. Was bouncing around the 240s, 250s. So I put a risk at 249. I mean, you are talking literally like 3, 4 cents, 5 cents. I mean, off of a $2.50 stock, 5 cents, that's like 2%. So that one I did notify to get out of that around the 250 mark for break even, or to let it go to the risk. So this, regardless, was a scratch, a little 2% loss. And then the next one we went over was CND. CND actually did have some news. It is a SPAC. It was just going ridiculously slow. I mean, you're talking in the morning, I'm like half asleep and looking at this stock. I mean, I was literally about to pass out just looking at this thing. So, we got out for this also on break even. I mean, we mentioned it right here at 1045, 10.5 or lower would be okay. Risk of 1025, it went nowhere near that level. So what I'm showing you guys is how we win consistently, okay? So right now it ended the day at 1050, 56. It went up to 1060. High of the day was there's an ask at 1075. But yeah, I mean, this thing was at a high of 1070. So, you're not talking about much over here. It was really going slow. So what do? We just get out of it. And that's the beautiful thing about stock market, guys. That's the beautiful thing about trading, is that if you feel like you're wrong, or if you want to protect yourself, you'll lose very little. I mean, can you go to the casino? Tell me this, because I will give everybody $1,000 that is tuned in today and watches this video. I will give you personally $1,000 if you show me a video that this works. I would like you to go to any casino in the world, okay? And you go all in. You put like $1,000 or $100 even on blackjack. And right when the dealer shows her 21 and you got yourself a 20, you got a really good hand, right? I mean, you are right there. You got a good stock, good news. It's moving. And all of a sudden the dealer has a 21. Now, if you can literally just take a couple chips off the top and, just fling it to her, just, here, sweetie, here's like $10, and take the rest of your money back. If that can happen, then I will give you $1,000. And ladies and gentlemen, we all know that this cannot happen. You cannot go to a casino, go all in, and just take a little bit of money out. And that's what we're able to do. That's the beauty about this market. That's why I love this business, because even in a day like today where everything is red, everything is going crazy, literally 6 or 7 stocks in the green. I mean, we were still able to protect ourselves. We were able to defend. We broke even. But who cares? We tried a couple plays, and me also personally, I mean, I am struggling with giving out a few extra plays that I know that I probably can relax a little bit. It's a new thing for me, helping people, which is something I really love. It's getting very big, so I feel sometimes like I really got to help you guys make some more money and give you guys an extra pick or two. So yeah, I may be guilty of that, but the beautiful thing about it is that if we're wrong, we have risk levels. We protect ourselves. And this play, whatever, we took a shot. Everything else was slow. We didn't lose any money on this. We made like a couple cents. So CND. So that's how we're doing it. Now, next one is CARV. So CARV, guys, CARV. That one was an amazing pick today. And I'll show everybody here. CARV running under 1 million float. Now, what's crazy, guys, is that even it didn't even, register in my head that this actually was like a seriously low float. I mean, you're talking under 1 million shares, 960,000 or 980,000 shares in the float. So honestly, I mean, when it's a stock that was like $18, I was shooting for, as you guys can see here, about 10%, right? So 10%, I figured, okay, whatever. And then this might go down. But then again, I saw 19.2 was the 1-year high. So what we did is we played this very smart, which is like how I like to give picks. I like to give picks sometimes where it's potentially going to break a certain high. And what that does is that if it goes there and then it fails, it gives you guys a cushion to get out if it's a fake out breakout. And we all know we've been battling some serious fake out breakouts. They look like they're going to break. They're all excited. And all of a sudden it's just like one of those horses that, starts running so quick and then it just dies and you put all that money into it. I mean, it is disappointing to get faked out on a breakout. So I like to, twist it up a little bit and give an anticipation of a breakout so that hopefully we can still make some money if we get out. And if if it's a failed breakout. So what I did here was I gave us a lot of room from the 1820 to 1920 target. And of course it hit the 1920, baby. Of course it did. So not only did it hit 1920, but this stock went from 1820, where we told everybody around here, look at this, guys. We told everybody literally, I mean, before a lot of you guys even woke up. I mean, before you guys had some breakfast, we literally, I mean, wow, is it really all the way here? Look at how early in the morning we mentioned this. This was really early. So we mentioned it really early. Let me put my where's my extended hours? Yeah, this is extended hours. Okay, so pre-market right here. I mean, we mentioned that at 1820, very early. Oh no, I'm like looking at CND like an idiot. I'm sorry, guys. I'm literally half asleep here. I have another business, and I really want to squeeze this in for all of us. But here it is. Okay, so CARV. Here we go. I mentioned it right pre-market right here. Okay. Pre-market, you're talking about literally around 8:21 a.m., okay? 8:21 a.m. And also, I did mention we would like to see a market open how it goes also. But if it breaks 1920, what did I say? I said that it could literally, we don't know where it can go. It could go to the moon. And that's the beautiful thing about a breakout, which has no past resistance. That is a very key indicator also on a stock that we really like. So the way I saw this was I looked at the 1 year, and I looked at the top right here, which was 1918. So 1918, 1920 range, that was the breakout level. As you guys can see here, look at this. Darkness, space, the so-called moon that all these fake promoters out there and all these fake people that like to, hype things up and tell you AMC is going in 2023 to $1,500. I'm not waiting to 2023. Are you nuts? We're trying to make some money today, guys. Seriously. So anyways, in the past, no breakout of anything beyond that, 1920, and then beyond, who knows? And then what happened, ladies and gentlemen? What happened? This stock went from 1820, broke out 1920 to $37, $38. You are talking over 100%, over 100% return. I mean, this was just ridiculous, ridiculous. So a lot of people are asking me, can this go to 200% tomorrow? Honestly, I don't think it can go. I think maybe if there's some news, maybe if they release something, that this could potentially come back. But as you see, it just dies down. Most of these stocks are dying down. The market overall was down. Everything is down. I played it very tight. On top of it, I got in a little later on at $27. I believe I did send that out to a few people. I got in at $27. I sold it for, $24. I sold it at $27. I got scared because of the halt. It halted again today. I mean, that was just very scary. When a stock gets halted, especially a second time, that will kill the momentum. But what's insane about this stock, ladies and gentlemen, is that I personally have never seen something like this except for NAKD with 500,000 shares in the float a long time ago, and that did double and triple and stuff, but that was about a year ago. So this didn't really click to me, the potential, especially because I normally, don't play or focus on small stocks like this. But when you got a slow market, when everything is down, I am still going to fight for you guys. I'm still going to fight for potential picks that could still make you some money. Because even though we're waiting for FDA approval news on a stock, I'm still giving the bonus of daily picks because as a full-time day trader, I know what to look for, and I like to give that to people so you guys can still make some consistent money. And that's what we're doing here. So I just didn't realize under 1 million shares, I mean, that is insane. The demand was insane. It traded over 95 million shares. That means that the shares rotated over 9 times. 9 times. So that is a simple, basic supply and demand. That is something that we're looking for in a stock. We're looking for supply and demand. There was a lot of demand, a lot of traders here. There, I'm sure they were all bored. They couldn't play anything else. A bunch of degenerates like me, right? That's a joke. But we're all out there trying to make some money here. So I believe everybody swarmed over here, made their money, pushed it up, took their profits, and got out. So that's pretty much what happened here. This tends to happen pretty often. You just got to look out for them and play them right, play them tight, take some profits along the way. But that was the highlight for today. CARV was just an amazing play. I showed you guys how we defend ourselves. Defending yourself, cutting profits is very, very, very important. So thank you guys again, and I'll be on the next video. I'm going to talk about ARPO and TBLT, how we played those, and how we defended ourselves from losing. Because again, guys, anyone out there that is telling you that they're going to win 100% of the time is a retard and is a scammer, and stay away from that. We are not going to win 100% of the times, but what we will do, and I can guarantee you, is we will give risk levels to protect yourself, suggested areas to get out, suggested areas to protect yourself, because we know the setups, we know these patterns, we know what to look for. This stuff has been happening for years, for decades. Roller coasters, ladies and gentlemen, go up and down. They do not just go up and go straight to the moon. Eventually, it does need to go down. So we are just looking for predictable plays. We're jumping in. We're letting you guys know ahead of time where you have the best chance to get into something and make money. If it doesn't work out, we have a protected risk level. We're guiding along the way like a coach on what we can, what would be the best suggested plays. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is for, helping people, educating people. And I'm going to show you guys later on how a lot of people got screwed after market, except for not us, not FDA Hunter Army, baby. We did not get screwed. We got in, we got out, we made 13, 14, 15%. And I'm going to go over that in the next video. But again, I am here to help as many people as possible that want the help. You just got to go ahead and protect yourself and, protect yourself, literally. So, guys, have a beautiful day. And yes, Mr. Charlie Brown, I see that tomorrow is Friday. Yeah, so a lot of people can be dumping hard, like you're mentioning. Friday also, guys, and Jay also, of course, my boy Jay making money. Look at you. You're in the group here. Jay made over $700 today, $750. So congratulations, man. Proud of you. You're also playing it tight and playing it right. I believe over $2,000 since you subscribed last week. So congratulations. But yeah, Charlie's mentioning something regarding a Friday short squeeze. Ladies and gentlemen, on Fridays, you'll tend to see a lot of short squeeze. A lot of people covering a short, just like GameStop with a short squeeze. So what can happen is the reason that happens a lot on Fridays is because a lot of people want to cover and they want to cover their positions, because when you're shorting, you're actually having to pay fees every single day. So a lot of people do not want to pay fees over the weekend, so they tend to just buy back their positions. So because when you're shorting, you're borrowing your shares. You got to buy them back. So that's what creates a short squeeze. It's squeezing the shorters to the top. So yeah, that could be potential short squeezes tomorrow. I would look out for that. And who knows, CARV might be another squeeze tomorrow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So again, great day today. Good job on keeping it consistent. We still came through. Even though the market was crap today. And that is how day traders have been doing it for years. This is how we do it. We play defense. We play offense. At certain times, we protect ourselves. Risky times, middle of the day, we protect ourselves. We go conservative. We don't go full on blown out positions middle of the day, unless you guys feel like it, of course. But I personally don't, because those are the riskiest times. So again, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. I'll be back in the next 5-10 minutes on another video. And thanks again. Have a good evening.